Aloha romantic friends and new viewers, thank you for tuning in today's video. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome, and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get the latest videos that are being released. So in today's video we are going to use some melt and pour embeds, and these are representation of tropical fish. And on top, as you can see, there are some specks of gold mica on top. And also going into our soap today is some fresh ginger that I grounded up into powder. So in the description below you will see all the ingredients plus a basic soap recipe and the extra additives that will be in the soap. So let's get started. In this bucket here we have our oils and our soap, so we want to go ahead and blend up our oils to make soap. So I'm going to do that now. Now that we have our oils blended, we want to go ahead and add our extra additives, which is the fresh ginger. That's ginger powder. And next I will be adding the clays. Now that we have the ingredients in the soap, we're going to blend it all up. You want to make sure that your fresh ginger is incorporated into your soap. See, I see some clumps, so we got to keep stirring. Now that we have fully incorporated our fresh ginger and our additives, now we're going to pour our oils into separate containers so we can add the color. So we got a very heavy tray, so we want to quickly get ready to pour this into our molds. Okay, so this is my makeshift mold that I came up with, and what I would like to do is a layer of the sea green or sea green blue on the bottom of my mold. So we want to do that as a layer, but before I do, let's go ahead and add our fragrance oil, and we're going to stir that in with our spatula. And then next we are actually going to do and then we're going to add a second layer of the lighter oils. So that probably represent like the sand, and the blue is probably representing the ocean. So we're going to give the orange a Stir. And I really like that the fragrance oil that I'm using, it's an essential oil, ginger essential oil, and it's a white tea and ginger fragrance oil. You'll see that fragrance oil in the description. Not quite sure what I'm doing. I don't really have a technique. I wanted to do a drop swirl type method, but that doesn't appear like that was going to work. But let me go ahead and try it anyway. Okay, so whatever I have left, I'm actually going to just rake it into the orange. And the orange can represent sunshine. And this is actually a very nice fragrance to work with, so I'm not having any difficulty working with it. Thought about doing like a textured top, or sure what I wanted to do to the top. I should have left it like it was before. I like the swirls that was in it. Not very good at the texturing method. But I can do swirls. Okay, so let's add our pretty decorative embeds. Now what I did forget to do, I forgot to mark the sides of my mold so that I can place the embeds in the appropriate place. So I am going to have to wing it. Okay, not exactly what I was intending. Let's stop while we're ahead. So I'm going to attempt to add the tropical fish.